Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Audacity tips and tricks. And in this video, I will show you how to simply import project file in Audacity. Let me show you how. One of the first ways to import project file in Audacity is to come to the top right here, click on File, then having clicked on File, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here, click and click on Import. Then here you have different options right here. You can either import audio file, MIDI, label, or raw data. So in this tutorial, we want to look at how you can import audio file, or better still, you can press Ctrl plus Shift and I to import audio file on Audacity. And this window here is going to pop up right here. Next thing you want to do is to locate where you have your audio file. Like for instance, if you have your, let's say for instance, I have my audio file in desktop right here under the download folder right here. Okay. So right here, so I'm going to go ahead now and select this particular audio file right here. But when you look at this audio file, you'll find out that the file is AAC file. Okay, so if I click on open right here, and this is going to pump up right here. Now, what happened here is that you just click on OK, and then it's going to tell me that the only file format for audio that we can import right here has to be WAV or AIFF. So if you have issue like this, you need to make sure you convert the audio file to any of these two formats right here before you can import it successfully into your Audacity software. So I'm going to close this pump up right here. Another way by which you can use to import your audio file in Audacity is that you can easily drag and drop your audio file. So I'm going to maximize this, and I will go ahead and drag this particular audio right here and drag it into the timeline. And then in a few seconds, it's going to be successfully import into the workspace right here. From here, I can start to edit my clip right here in Audacity. It's that simple. So this is how to import your project file to Audacity. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use Audacity software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.